12-8-15, possible 459 hot trials, 6502 4th Avenue, 6502 4th Avenue, suspects are male, black, 50 years, inside the location, code 3 incident 2683, already 1242.
At 15A67 is en route to his location from North Hollywood Station.
15 Adam 3, I received, thanks.
Can I have a citizen reporting 415 male with a knife inside the Jack in the Box with Sunset and Ivar? Can I get a backup air unit supervisor?
Any unit of vicinity 67013 is requesting a backup air unit and a supervisor, Sunset and Hollywood at the Jack in the Box for a 415 male with a knife.
FB 19 Work 06.
6FB 19, roger.
40 en route.
40, roger.
20 en route.
Hollywood Union City, W. Progress, Cahuenga and Sunset near the film school. Suspects in male, black, purple shirt. Passerby, stand by for additional. Code 3 incident 2698 or D666.
67 responding. 67, roger.
Oh, unit, possible ambulance overdose. Correction of 10 suicide 4424 with SID. Code 2 incident 2702 or D1562.
Air 3, Sunset and Ivar at the Jack in the Box.
13 shots fired off the tail inside the Jack in the Box.
Officer needs help, Sunset and Ivar. Officer needs help, Sunset and Ivar. Shots fired inside the Jack in the Box. Air unit supervisor.
A male, conscious bleeding, approximately 70 years old. Gunshot wound to the forearm. I have an additional male, approximately 35 years old. Not conscious, not bleeding. Multiple GSW, the upper torso.
6FB 13, roger.
L40, show me his incident commander.
3, roger.
Block the Cahuenga and Sunset, Ivar and Sunset, one north from that location as well.
6L40 is requesting units to block Cahuenga and Sunset, Ivar and Sunset, and one north of that location.
609 here, the officers accounted for.
6FB 13 are all officers accounted for.
Roger, all officers accounted for. No outstanding suspects. Suspect is in custody.
628, let me get 2 RAs. One for a male, not conscious, not breathing, about 60 years old, suffering from a laceration. Second for a male, approximately 40 years old, not conscious, not breathing, suffering from unknown head trauma.
628, roger. Is this additional to the 2 other RA requests?
X-ray negative. I didn't know if there was one put out. It's going to be the same thing.
628, roger.
FB 19 Alpha have a possible victim, northeast corner of Ivar. Sunset. We need a RA for him. It's a male in his 30s, conscious of breathing, laceration to his chest.
FB 19, roger, on the RA, Sunset and Ivar, northeast corner.
It's going to be northwest corner.
Roger, on northwest corner.
X-rays. You could have a unit or respond code 2. There's a fishing unit right here for now.
All units, sufficient units only, Sunset and Ivar.
Adam 15, code 6, and Adam 45.
815, 845, roger.
30, I'm going to be code 6 on Ivar.
Position 880 on target, Cahuenga and Sunset. Additional care, calling suspect mailbox, boxing 30 or 6263, wearing purple shirt, black pants, a large knife, position incident 2698.
6 George 20, I'm code 6 on scene 2. We have an additional victim on Sunset between Wilcox and Cahuenga on the south side of the street. The precise address will be 6445 West Sunset. I'll need an additional RA. He's got a major wound to the right arm.
George 20, roger. Is he conscious and breathing?
25-year-old, conscious and breathing, victim of a stabbing.
6 George 20, roger, on the RA, 6445 West Sunset.
Adam, I'm responding to Sunset and Ivar.
1. ADW in progress, Cahuenga and suspect. Suspect was last seen running eastbound Sunset. Suspect in male black wearing a large purple t-shirt. Code 3 incident 2698 RD656.
FP1, I need the next responding unit to block southbound traffic, Cahuenga and Selma.
Plus delay units, 211 silent. 2677 Mandeville Canyon Road, 2677 Mandeville Canyon Road at correction, standby, disregard. Crystal policeman. 671 is requesting additional unit block southbound traffic, Cahuenga and Sunset.